Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Kitchen channel where I share with you the best kitchen appliances and gadgets. Today, I'm going to show you the Ninja Foodi MAX Dual Zone Air Fryer AF400UK, a powerful and versatile device that can cook two different foods at the same time, using hot air and convection technology. Get ready to take your meal preparations to the max with this innovative kitchen powerhouse. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional cooking marvel. Offering 6 incredible cooking methods including max crisp, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and of course, air fry. This appliance allows you to explore your culinary creativity like never before. What sets the Ninja Foodi MAX apart is its 2 independent cooking zones, a boon for families and larger households. Imagine this, cooking 2 different foods, each with its unique temperature, time, and settings in separate drawers, and having both dishes ready to serve simultaneously with the SYNC feature. Need to feed more people? Use the match settings to double your cooking capacity. Sync your culinary creations effortlessly. Bake in one drawer while air frying in the other. Absolutely. No more worries about mismatched cooking times for your roast chicken and crispy fries. Both zones finish cooking simultaneously, ensuring your mains and sides are perfectly timed and served together. Whether it's a succulent 2 kilograms chicken with golden roast potatoes, baked salmon paired with Mediterranean veggies, or tantalizing beef koftas alongside crispy chips, the Ninja Foodi MAX makes your ideal meal a reality in moments. Cooking for different dietary preferences? No problem. Cater effortlessly by preparing vegetarian delights in one drawer and meats in the other. Need to amp up your servings? The match feature has you covered, doubling your meal portions with the same cooking programs across both drawers. This extra-large capacity air fryer accommodates up to 25% more. Fit a whole 2 kilograms chicken or up to 1.4 kilograms of fries in each 4.75 liters drawer, making complete meals like roast chicken and crispy air-fried chips simultaneously, ready to enjoy. Unlock your culinary creativity. Whether it's the healthier air fry, quick max crisp for frozen treats, delightful roast for everyday dinners, bake for homemade delights, dehydrate for delicious snacks, or reheat for reviving leftovers, the possibilities are endless. The user-friendly digital control panel with a countdown timer makes tracking your cooking time a breeze. Adjust temperatures to your liking for each meal. Plus, the auto-adjust fan adapts to your selected cooking function automatically. Cleanup is a breeze with non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. And as always, Ninja ensures 5-star quality through consumer feedback. Kickstart your culinary adventures with the chef-created recipe guide included, packed with Ninja air fryer recipes. If you're interested in buying Ninja Foodi MAX Dual Zone Air Fryer AF400UK, you can check out link description below where you find more information, customer reviews. You can also find some recipes, tips how use air fryer on Ninja website. I hope enjoyed video. Please give thumbs up, subscribe channel more kitchen appliance reviews. Thanks watching, see next one, bye.